Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways on how to get your MAC address in Windows 11. Alright, first one here is just by going to your Start menu, right click on it and go ahead over to Settings. Click on Settings. Now this page will pop up. So what we're going to do is just maximize this one. Then go ahead over to the left pane and click on Network and Internet. Click on it. Now this page will show. And what we're going to do here is just basically click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Alright, as you can see here it says Ethernet because I'm using an Ethernet connection. If it says Wi-Fi here, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and click on it. Alright, click. Now in here you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find this physical address or MAC. Alright, and this right here is your MAC address. Now another option, close this one. Go to your search bar and type in Control Panel. Once the Control Panel pops up, just go ahead and click on it. Now go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. Now in here, go to the left pane and click on Change Adapter Settings. Click on it. Now as you can see here, I only have one network. Alright, but if yours got a ton of networks listed right here, just go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. Alright, again, I'm going to double click on this one. Then I'm going to go head over to this page. Alright, this one will pop up. Just basically click on Details. Click on Details. And in here, as you can see, physical address is available as well. And besides it is your MAC address. And that's how you get your MAC address in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.